we've got a storm watch weather alert for you tonight, and this time the computer model is not really struggling with the rain snow line like the last time around, but they are struggling with the amounts just a little bit.
The track of the storm, which is to be expected. We're still 2 days away, and it's tough to really get an accurate picture of how much snow we could see, but regardless, we're going to see several inches, and it's going to be a huge impact on us across the area. So with the specific numbers, stay tuned over the next couple of days here. The snow starts off Monday evening, pretty late at night. We're talking 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, mainly across the south coast, and starts to taper off by Tuesday afternoon, maybe early evening. Snow will not be as wet as the last storm, so we could see some power outages, but not quite as widespread, not as pasty with the coating. More colder air moving in with the system, and heavy in most spots with snow, except for wet rain, rain to wet snow across southeastern Massachusetts and Cape Cod. There's strong winds once again, but only minor coastal flooding as the tides are astronomically lower than that big storm we had that caused major coastal flooding all across the board. So here's a look at the storm. It's gathering some strength to our south and west, and this will move across to the northeast across New England over the next couple of days. For now, we have the clouds in play. Temperatures are comfortable. We're in the 40s and 30s, 43 degrees in Boston, nice and dry, and we enjoyed that spring ahead. Well, you may have lost an hour of sleep, but we had that later sunset time. Overnight tonight, down to 22 degrees, cold and clearing skies with tomorrow's highs in the low to mid 40s with an onshore breeze. We could see a couple sprinkles, maybe a couple flurries too with that onshore breeze. But the main event moves in late Monday into Tuesday. National Weather Service has a winter storm watch posted, and this could either be upgraded to a winter storm warning, maybe blizzard condition, a blizzard warning perhaps, as we see those gusty winds along the coast. And with the snowfall accumulation rates and the visibility issues, we'll have near blizzard conditions with this one. So here's the hour-by-hour timing. The clouds onshore flow there, a couple sprinkles and a couple flurries. As we go through Monday night, then it starts to deteriorate very quickly. The conditions, we'll see a bit of a wintry mix to some rain across Nantucket while the rest of us enjoy some snow. Well, not enjoying it as we get into that Tuesday morning commute. By this point, we have several inches on the ground, and that morning commute is just going to be a mess. So 1 to 3 inch snowfall rates per hour could be a little bit higher too, and this all coming in onshore. So ocean enhanced snow bands, perhaps across the south shore, could set down well over a foot of snow. Big question is where that's going to set up at this point in time. The track dependent on where we will see those highest jackpot zones. But all across the board, we're getting those high snowfall rates for several hours, so easily getting in the 6 to 12 inch range. And these are modest projections just because there's still some disagreement on the forecast track. But 3 to 6 inches farther to the west, 3 to 6 inch range to the south and east across the outer Cape and Nantucket, with more rain mixing in initially. Wind gust forecast, we're confident that we will see 40 to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts Tuesday morning, ramping up to near 65-mile-an-hour gusts along the coastline. And that is where Cape Ann, Cape Cod, you're under a high wind watch Monday night through Tuesday evening. As for the wave potential, 20 maybe to 25-foot waves offshore at the height of this storm. However, notice as we go through this forecast model scenario, we go to the high tide times, which is Tuesday morning and Tuesday night around 10 o'clock. We get those 10 to 15-foot waves just offshore, and again, astronomically low tide. So even if we get a 1 to 3 foot surge, it does not look like we're going to see the devastation that we saw with that first nor'easter that we had earlier. What was it, a week and a half ago? It wasn't very long ago. Here's your 7-day. After we get through this nor'easter, the weather pattern starts to shift a little bit. So this may be the last in this particular series. Maybe, dare I say it, for the winter? We'll see. You can't close that chapter just yet, but at least this is going to be the last one for quite some time. And then the weekend, warming up into the 40s next weekend. Katie, Ken.
All right.